The Xerox DocuColor iGen3 digital production press is more than just the latest digital printer. It is a true revolution in digital color production that delivers the results business needs. Jobs arrive at the DocuColor iGen3 through one of two networked front ends. The Xerox DocuSP controller offers a refined and familiar Xerox digital workflow and easy color on demand, while the Creo Spire Color Server is a recognized leader in color management. The selected server rips the job and passes it on to the press for printing. DocuColor iGen3 is powered by Smart Press technology, innovations and intelligence that are built into the system to ensure maximum reliability, supreme flexibility, and truly outstanding third-generation image quality. As the name implies, Smart Press technology is a learning system. It continually learns and adjusts over time based on the applications run, the paper used, and the printing environment. Smart Press imaging is the most revolutionary of all Smart Press technologies. It ensures outstanding color image quality, sheet after sheet, job after job. Smart Press Dry Ink offers significant advantages in reproducing the most demanding hues. Its small, consistent particle size and special pigments were designed concurrently with the Smart Press imaging process to enable faithful color reproduction with outstanding control. Applied to the photoreceptor via DocuColor iGen3's innovative hybrid scavengeless development, the dry ink renders benchmark color images with a wider color gamut, solid consistency, and a less glossy appearance than those printed with previous generation toners. With excellent color registration and accuracy, magenta, yellow, cyan, and then black dry ink are applied on top of each other on the photoreceptor. The image is then transferred from the photoreceptor directly to the paper in a single step. Smart Press paper handling assures that a wide variety of media moves reliably through the DocuColor iGen3 paper path. This process begins with a programmable Smart Press stock library, which resides on the sun-based press interface. DocuColor iGen3 comes pre-programmed with the characteristics of a range of the most popular papers, including stocks from Xerox and other manufacturers. Additional papers can be added by simply entering their attributes into the database. DocuColor iGen3 automatically adjusts the number of image control settings according to the attributes for each particular stock. These adjustments are made not on a per-job basis, but for every sheet that passes through DocuColor iGen3. Smart Press feeding enables intermixed stocks to be combined within a job and output at full rated printer speed. Stock weights do not slow the engine down. Sheets are fed from the paper trays using a vacuum transport mechanism to gently handle fragile stocks and avoid damage to coated materials. The system's modular design offers 4 feeders at launch and will expand in the future to offer up to 12 feeders for 12 different types of media. Based on the characteristics held in the Smart Press stock library and on-system measurements, which compensate for paper curl, paper trays automatically tilt to reliably introduce each sheet into the paper path. Each sheet is optically guided through DocuColor iGen3's straight paper path and into the image transfer station with pinpoint accuracy. After the first side is imaged, the system guides stock through the large turning radii of the duplex path and smoothly directs heavier and coated stocks without damage, virtually eliminating jamming. DocuColor iGen3 automatically uses same-edge registration to make certain that images on both sides of the paper are properly aligned. When the paper passes through the imaging station for first side printing, the system uses the front and outbound edges of the paper for registration. As the paper is inverted, the front edge becomes the trail edge and it is then used again along with the same outbound edge for second side printing. The result? Precise image-to-paper registration and equally remarkable color quality at an astounding rate of up to 100 8.5 by 11 or A4 images per minute. Based on paper type, the 6-roll fuser dynamically adjusts the heat and pressure applied to each sheet to bond the image to the paper. DocuColor iGen3's intelligent decurler removes any curl from the printed stock to assure reliable movement through the paper path and uniform stacking. All of these features combine to render revolutionary image quality at revolutionary speeds of up to 100 images per minute. With DocuColor iGen3 SmartPress electronic collation, creating complex print jobs of mixed media is easy and doesn't slow production. Production output is fed into DocuColor iGen3's roll-away stacker carts, so collated jobs can go directly from the press to the bindery. Watching over the entire system is SmartPress Sentry. It controls the environmental systems of the unit, monitors every image being printed, and analyzes problems to make on-the-fly adjustments that keep the DocuColor iGen3 at peak performance. DocuColor iGen3's technology and innovation promise to revolutionize the business of color printing. In overview, it is truly impressive. In its detail, it is truly genius.